This is a figure matrices question. A 3x3 grid with one box missing and 5 options below. Ignore the options completely. We're going to build the missing box ourselves. The rule runs across the rows. Row 1 shows it, row 3 repeats it. Look at row 1. The third box is just the first 2 boxes, each given a quarter turn clockwise, then laid on top of each other. Turn both. Stack them. That is the whole rule. What should happen? Turn, turn, stack. And there is box 3. Now row 2. Box 1. 3 upright lines, broken, thick, thin. Turn it. They lie down. Broken on top, thick in the middle, thin at the bottom. Box 2. 2 flat lines. Turn it. They stand up. Broken on the left, thin on the right. Stack them together, and that is the missing box. We built it without looking at a single option. One thing to remember for the exam when nothing is turning for you. A quarter turn clockwise moves every side 1 step around. Left becomes top, top becomes right. Turn the page in your mind and read it. So, flat lines, broken, thick, thin, top to bottom. Upright lines, broken, thin, left to right. Now match. Flat lines first, fastest test. We need broken on top, thick in the middle, thin at the bottom. A. Broken line at the bottom. Belongs on top. Gone. C. Thick line at the bottom. Belongs in the middle. Gone. D. Thick line at the top. Same mistake. Gone. 3 gone in seconds. 2 left, both with the flat lines right. So check the upright lines. B. We need broken left, thin right. B has them swapped. Gone. Which leaves E. Flat lines, broken, thick, thin. Correct. Upright lines, broken, thin. Correct. All 5 lines in the right place. E is correct.